In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite friends to server on Discord. Inviting friends is quick, and you'll have them chatting with you in no time. Start by opening the server where you want them to join. Look to the very top left of the Discord window and click the server's name. It sits above the channel list, next to the server icon. This opens a small menu with options related to that server, so you're in the right place to share access. From that menu, choose Invite to Server. The moment you click it, Discord brings up an invite panel. Front and center, you'll see an invite link. This is the unique URL your friends can use to join your server. Hit copy to grab it, then paste it in a direct message, an email, or wherever you're coordinating with your friends. As soon as they open it and accept, they'll land right in your server. Before you send the link, you can fine-tune how it works. If you want a permanent, reusable link, set it to never expire. That's perfect for a link you plan to keep in a welcome message or on a website. If you prefer tighter control, click the small gear icon in the bottom right of the invite panel. There, you can adjust the expiration time, anything from minutes to days, so the link stops working automatically after a set period. You can also limit the number of uses, which is great for one-off invites or private groups. When the limit is reached, the link closes itself, keeping your server more secure. Another helpful setting in that same gear menu is the role new members receive the moment they join. Assigning a default role can streamline your onboarding. For example, you might give newcomers a basic role that grants read-only access until they say hello, or a starter role that lets them see the main chat right away. Be thoughtful here. Only assign permissions you're comfortable giving automatically. If you don't see the role option or certain settings, it may be because you don't have the required permissions on that server, so you might need an admin to adjust them. Once your settings look good, copy the link and share it with the friends you want to invite. And there you go. Your invite is ready and your community is about to grow. That's all. Thanks for watching and enjoy building your Discord server.